Good morning to one and all. Today I would like to start ninth class lessons book. A house is not a home. It is written by Jan Gaudiso. Jan Gaudiso is a popular author who focuses mostly on the need and significance of love, affection, and care that is necessary to turn a house into a home. Here, the title A House is Not a Home is quite apt and meaningful. He, Here, he tells that it is love and care that make a house a home. So, without company of loving friends and his favorite cat, in this lesson, the author was ill at ease. So let us discuss. The story highlights the thin differences between a house and a home. While a house here represents a building where people live, a home is a place where family lives together, sharing the unique bonds of love and oneness. The narrator's house gets destroyed by fire and he gets a new house. Then he realizes that his home is the one built by the love and affection of his family and loved ones. So, love and affection of one's family is precious. So, everybody knows being a teenager can be very much challenging. Okay, while a teenager grows, he faces a lot of challenges. So, these need to be tackled through patience and faith. Here, the narrator loved most his cat. His cat was favorite. Okay. In the beginning, he was sent to a new school, but he felt loneliness because he was missing his old teachers and old friends. Gradually, he was coming back to life. Okay. One day, on a Sunday afternoon, he was writing his homework. At the same time, the cat was playing. The day was very cold and wind was also very much extreme. So, mother went to fire and stoked it to get relieved from the cold. But accidentally, the fire caught and smoke was covering the entire part of the house. Suddenly, he came out of the house and went to the neighbor's house and called the fire station. The firemen were coming. At the same time, mother went inside and brought out with a small metal box. Later, second time mother went inside to bring the pictures and letters of Jan's father. Okay. Jan's father had died when he was very small. So, Jan did not want to lose his mother. When mother went inside the house second time, Jan was screaming after her. At the same time, a fireman came and caught hold of him and told him his mother would be fine. At the same time, another fireman, went inside the house to bring back his mother. So later, this boy Jan was put in the car, and then his mother was brought safely, but she had inhaled the fire, smoke. So, to her, an oxygen mask was provided. Later, later, Jan and his mother were sent to a grandfather's house. Okay, there on the next day, his mother forced him to go to school. He was not in a good condition. He was in awkward condition. Even though, okay, as his mother compelled, he had to go to school with the wretched condition. Okay, okay. Uh, while returning towards home, he went to his old house, which was completely gutted with fire. He had a little hope that he could find out his lost cat. He searched everywhere in the rubbles, but returned to his home without any hope because he could not find his beloved cat. Later, his new friends, his new teachers could understand his problems. Okay, they could they could help him in books, in the studies, in everything, in giving gifts. On a Christmas day, they could bring gifts for him. Then gradually he realized that his life too was getting rebuilt along with his house, new house. One day he sat with his friends, two friends, and he was discussing something. All of a sudden there came a strange woman and asked whether this belonged to him. Suddenly Jan saw there stood a woman holding his lost cat. Okay. On seeing this, okay, on seeing this he was he was satisfied, and he found that, okay, he found out that the feelings of loss and tragedy were gone. Okay. He felt gratitude for life. He felt alive once again in the company as well as the cat. So he had some happiness tears. And then the cat saw Jan. She started purring happily. Then he caught hold of the cat on his lap and gave him his love and affection. And he patted the cat. Okay. Finally, he came to know that he felt gratitude for his life, and he felt alive once again in the company of his favorite cat and his friends, his new life. Then he thought that his cat was back, so was he. This changed in his life, that making it clear that the title is suitable and appropriate. At last, he could understand that his house turns into a home in the real sense of the term. Thank you for watching this video.